Welcome back everybody. Sandmarc has sent me some products, and what a way to come back into this 3-month hiatus from my channel. I have currently the iPhone 11 Macro Lens Edition and the iPhone 11 Pro Case. That's not the iPhone 11 Pro, but the iPhone 11 Pro Case. Anyway, let's jump into it. The Pro Case for the iPhone 11 is extremely well made and feels like a premium product. It features an aluminium lens mount which feels very strong and offers the phone great protection. Onto the lens. In the pack, you will get a pouch which features the lens itself, which has front and back caps, which are snugly fit on. It also comes with this diffusion hood, which also acts as a minimum focus guide. At least that was my experience. The lens just screws on very easily and is very secure on the phone. It obviously protrudes out a bit, but that didn't bother me since I would be using it. Now when shooting, I did use the Moment app and selected the macro lens to take pictures in RAW and then develop them in Lightroom Mobile. So every picture you see has been developed the same way. So some specs about the lens. It's a 25mm lens with a 10x magnification. Something I wanted to note here, I'm just using the normal iPhone 11, not the Pro edition, which as you know has a telephoto lens. If you pair this lens with a tele lens, you would get a much closer magnification, just something to bear in mind. However, the image is still stunning on the wide angle lens. The iPhone still manages to autofocus really well using the macro lens and didn't seem to affect image stabilization, at least for photos. I haven't tested videos yet, which will be coming in another episode. Initial impressions of this lens are extremely good. I was so impressed by the pictures I took and just made me realize even more so how far technology has come to replicate looks that would usually cost hundreds of dollars and pounds. When I look at some of the images I took, I'm just blown away by the level of detail that this phone and lens combo can take. The characteristics of the lens really what give the images the magic feel to them. You'll instantly notice the bokeh fall off, which renders beautifully across, and for me that was one of my fears on how it might make the image seem plasticky, if that makes any sense. But instead I get this premium feel. The lens renders high detail and then falls off so creamy. When I showed my friends the images, they couldn't quite believe how good the images came out. This is definitely an Instagram worthy tool, and even for YouTube. So for $79, you're getting the macro lens and you're getting the slim case, which is also included in the package. I obviously was using the Pro case, which is separate, and I think it's around $30. So you don't really need to get the Pro case. It's if you just want that extra level of protection and have it as your standard everyday case. So highly recommend that. But the slim case works just as fine, and it offers a very slimline, just keeps the bulk down on your phone and really allows you to carry it everywhere with you without that extra added weight, and then just attach the lens on. So it depends on how you like to carry your phone around with you. Overall, I'm just blown away again. These images are really something that will add to my Instagram pictures, and also for any kind of like YouTube series that I want to do, for example, a video like this one. And it's just a fun, great way to get into it, and it's so cheap as well. This makes a great present. When you're looking at this price range, you're either someone that wants to just get into like phone photography, or it's someone that you know wants to get into it and you want to give it as a present. Also, you know most kids these days have got like iPhones, and you just want to like give them something to up their game. And I can't wait to start testing out the video capabilities that I can do with this lens as well. So I'm just going to let the video carry on now, and you can check out the rest of the photos that I took. Catch me over at Instagram, @AppsLifey. If you haven't subscribed already, do so. Enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out.